Tanya Ross of TVR Academy of Movement and Therapy. This video is now going to start to lead you through another nerve glider, slider, flosser. I have to say them all because people have such opinions on words. So in terms of this video, we're going to take you through nerve sliding, gliding, flossing for the radial nerve. So please make sure you've watched the previous videos also in terms of how to test it and neurodynamically what the significance is. But these movements in a progressive order, as advised by the NOI group in terms of their movements, just to make sure that we're mobilising the nerve hopefully safely. So the next movement that we're taking into is called pump water. So if, for example, it was my left arm that was irritated, I'm going to turn it into internal rotation and I'm going to clasp my fingers. So imagine you've got a hold of something and you're going to pull it up and then push it down. I'm using my right arm primarily, trying to relax through the left arm a little bit more. But I'm taking it through, it goes to internal rotation down here and then it alleviates it a little bit as it comes back up again. So making sure you don't feel anything would be the key attribute of this movement. I don't want you to feel the nervy symptoms because then it becomes a nerve tensioner and an irritator. So you're going through the movements, just trying to almost kind of floss it through. So as you're taking it through up to around about 10, you could certainly do both sides, okay, depending on what your symptoms are and how things are feeling, just to make sure that your body and your brain are picking up on the differences. So you know what's normal, what's not, almost, if you haven't had an affected or an injured side. So take it through the movements over the course of the week, maybe building up to around about 20 of each. Yeah, hopefully this has been useful. I'm going to do one more in terms of this radial nerve sequence that you can work through, and yeah, leave us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe, and otherwise we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.